I'm Sean Wiley from Revolution Machine Tools here at FABTech 2018 in Atlanta, Georgia. Today I'd like to feature our RMT HZ-FAB 44 horizontal press. These horizontal presses are very rigid, very well built press. They come with MC control back gauge, or as you can see here, this is just a standard back gauge, manual back gauge. Come with, this is a 2-inch die, and there's so many dies you can do with this. Radius dies, you can do laser cut dies for ornamental iron and press right into the shape. There's hundreds of dies available. The 60mm die set is a very standard die size. You can put these bars here, and put straighting dies, bumping dies, bump rounds, or you can form collets and pipe. Do a lot of pipe radius, pipe bracket, mounting brackets with this machine. You can buy those dies that press any radius you want, make your own pipe. Straighten die. This machine is automatic and manual, and I'll go over the control in a minute. You just have a switch down here, automatic or manual. These come in 11 ton, 22 ton, 44, 55, 66, an 88, and 120 ton capacities. This particular machine, 44 ton, does an 8-inch. Do 8-inch flat at 1-inch thick, mild steel. Do 2.5-inch tube or pipe at 1/8 wall thickness. Of course, other sizes of capacity go up. Now let me show you the control. Go to the main screen, and you can go into manual. The actual position changes when you're moving. You just have the forward position, set a date, and I'll just put it in manual here. That's manual forward, manual back. You can see the actual position changing. And then when we go into auto mode, go into automatic, back to the main screen. Now we go to program. We can program our own. As you can see here, I've programmed in 8. You can move that to 7.5. Enter. Now program number, you can pick any program. Say you went to 5 that doesn't exist yet. Zeros everything out, and you just start writing your program, your forward, your back. Find out, you can do 15 steps. So let's say we go to 12, or let's say 8 inches. Enter, you got 8-inch, 6-inch retract. Six-inch retract. Now I've saved a program, program 1. You go to program 1, you can see here a program 3 moves in. I've saved the program, send it to PLC, save program. And I will just simply pedal on. Pedal, when I release the pedal, it goes into retract. And now we're on the second move, 7.75 in, press in, 6-inch retract, 8 inches in, 6-inch retract, up to 15 moves going that way. So again, I'm Sean Wiley, Revolution Machine Tools, FABTech 2018 Atlanta.